DateTime is C#'s built-in type for handling dates and times, providing methods to create, format, and manipulate temporal data. DateTime is everywhere in programming. Tracking when things happen, scheduling events, calculating edges, you'll use DateTime all the time. To get the current time, you can use the datetime.now. To just get the date, you can use datetime.today. If you want to get a specific date, then you can use the new keyword datetime and pass the parameters. To datetime, you can add more time by using methods like add days, add hours, or add months. You can also find differences between two dates by subtracting the date. If you want to parse a string to a datetime, you can use the datetime.parse method. You can also compare dates just like numbers.